Have you ever heard of these strange animals? Picture this, an underwater leaf that swims, or a primate with fingers as thin as twigs. Sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, right? But in reality, they're part of our own extraordinary world, hidden in plain sight. They're the unsung heroes of the animal kingdom, the species that make you question everything you thought you knew about nature. So buckle up, mates, as we dive into the unknown. Prepare to have your mind blown by these extraordinary creatures. First up, we have the leafy sea dragon. This creature is a marvel, an enigma of the deep blue, dwelling primarily in the waters off southern Australia. The leafy sea dragon, true to its name, sports a fascinating leaf-like appearance. It's as if part of the ocean's flora decided to break free and take a swim around. Now you might be wondering, why the leafy look? Well, it's all about survival. This unique appearance is actually a method of camouflage that helps the leafy sea dragon blend in with the surrounding seaweed and kelp. It's a classic case of hide in plain sight, if you will. But don't be fooled by its timid tactics. It's far from your average sea creature. With its long, slender body, leafy protrusions, and a knack for stealth, the leafy sea dragon is a master of disguise in the underwater world. So, if you're ever in Australia and see something that looks like seaweed but moves, it might just be a leafy sea dragon. Next on our list is the eye, a creature straight out of a fairy tale. This peculiar primate hails from the mystical rainforests of Madagascar. Now, what sets the eye apart from its primate cousins? Well, for starters, it has a middle finger that would make any pianist green with envy. This long, slender digit is the eye's secret weapon, used to tap on tree trunks and listen for the echo, all in a bid to locate its next meal. But that's not all. The eye sports a pair of eyes so large they could give the moon a run for its money. These nocturnal orbs help the eye navigate through the dark, dense forests in search of food. The eye is truly a testament to nature's whimsy, a creature that seems to have jumped straight from the pages of a storybook into the real world. So remember, if you're in Madagascar and hear a tapping sound in the trees, it might just be an eye looking for dinner. Have you ever seen an animal that can regrow its body parts? Meet the axolotl. This critter, also known as the Mexican salamander, has an extraordinary party trick. It's like the superhero of the animal kingdom, boasting the ability to regrow not just its tail, but heart, spine, and even parts of its brain. How's that for a superpower? The axolotl's magic doesn't stop there. This little fellow is a Peter Pan in the world of amphibians, living its entire life in a youthful state, a phenomenon known as neoteny. It never grows up, retaining gills and living underwater for its whole life. Now, if you're picturing a typical lizard, think again. The axolotl sports a crown of feathery gills, a wide grin, and an adorable set of stubby legs, earning it comparisons to a real-life Pokemon. So, if you're ever in Mexico and see a creature that looks like a Pokemon, it might just be an axolotl. Finally, the strangest of them all, the star-nosed mole. This peculiar creature is as alien to us as the farthest reaches of space. Native to North America, the star-nosed mole thrives in low wetland areas, from the northeastern United States to southeastern Canada, carving out a life beneath the earth and water. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the star on the mole. This creature's most distinctive feature is its snout, adorned with a unique star-shaped organ consisting of a whopping 22 pink, fleshy tentacles. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie prop. It's a highly sensitive touch organ, allowing our star-nosed friend to navigate its subterranean world with precision. But the star isn't just for show. It's a tool of efficiency. The star-nosed mole is the fastest eating mammal on the planet. Imagine this. In the blink of an eye, roughly 300 milliseconds, this mole can identify and consume its food in only 225 milliseconds. That's less time than it takes you to say star-nosed mole. So, if you're ever in North America and see a creature that looks like it's from outer space, it might just be a star-nosed mole. And there you have it, some of the strangest animals you've never heard of. Until next time, keep exploring the wild and wonderful world of animals.